with a 5-point lead right now. Rina Villamor with a courtside report, Rina.
Yes, I must say that with the arrival of Coach Ness in that second set, added more life with the performance of the Lady Tamaras. That's why they were with fire in that second set. Now, 3 important things for them coming into this third set. First is to continue on delivering challenging balls to the Sandugo team. And second is for them is everyone must be able to contribute and create points for the team, and just not to solely rely on Ate ILB to create points for the team. And third is for them to minimize their errors also. And lastly, Coach Ness also told Giselle C to focus harder on this game as she seemed to be the missing link in that second set. Back to you guys.
Alright, thank you, Rina. Ivy Remulla on your screens. Again, one of those players that Coach Ness depends upon. Also, this lady right here, Irish Patrona, but that one went straight out. So, just like the first set, itong Sandugo San Sebastian pulling away very early in the set,
And I guess if there's anything that if you did right in the second set, it was the fact that hindi nila pinalayo yung Sandugo San Sebastian. So this lead can actually cost them unless they stop the bleeding immediately.
10-4, 6-point lead. And again, a shout out to the staff of Shakey's E. Rodriguez. Nadine especially, thank you very much. And Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. We had a party there over the weekend, and Nadine, thank you very much for being so accommodating and very helpful at their branch Shakey's E. Rodriguez.
Patrona's attempt, not enough. Because Nen is in the front row for Sandugo San Sebastian.
Suzanne. Ooh, Ruby De Leon stuffing her former teammate. Was that Tabaquero?
Tabaquero. Oh no.
That was Eulalio, I believe.
Eulalio, yes, Eulalio.
12-4. FPU with another timeout. Let's listen in.
Hello, kaya mo ba yun? Kaya mo ba yun? Malaki.
Shakey's new delivery hotline. It's Canada's shipping.
Chance, yung service di naman gano'n ka, no? Discard ka.
This was the previous play. Benito gives it to Ruby De Leon. 2 blockers go up with Nen. Ayun, libreng-libre. Jang Buli hitting the corner. Cross court.
And you know, sometimes kahit yung mga middle blocker, no, it doesn't mean na hindi ka masyado nabibigyan ng bola. But if you get to, if you get the blockers rather of the other side to commit, ibig sabihin effective ka na center spiker. Patrona avoiding the blockers.
Ganda nung lihis.
And she knew that she was, you know, in front of Nin Utaywan. So, mahirap nga naman talagang palusutan. So, you have to find a way. And then Nin, bumabawi lang.
This time, a back quick for Utaywan. Jang Buli with the serve. Good floater. Tabaquero gets it through the block. They go back to Angge. Off speed this time. That works.
And she will be needing more of that. Ayun eh, kanina she couldn't find, you know, the right angle para pumasok yung bola niya. But with the off-speed shot, she was able to get the point.
Crisostomo with the reception. Ooh, sayang. Nakatapat na si
but
Patrona.
Not the right footing there for Patrona.
14-6. Ruby with that floater. Outside, oh. Tabakero talagang...
A lot of errors.
oo.
Not her day. Definitely not her day.
Not her usual self, because those are like automatic points for Angge.
Nice one-hand set by C.
Roofed by Eulalio. Just blocked by Bentig. Bilis, oh. 16-6 na agad dito sa ating third set. We'll be right back when we come back.